Em có anh thấy có
If you were
con
doing
đùa mà
both,
mò nó bao nhiêu cọp
that
nhặt
would
muối món
still
này.
The only difference is you can now earn money on more
Nó
content.
nè bộ cho.
Performance-based payout model, which means creators earn based on the performance of their eligible content. That's not changing. You're invited to take
Ê,
advantage
cầm chua bạn cái thấy chứ?
this
Cầm chua bạn cái
invitation
chứ?
to earn money on more
Mà
content.
tay tổ tê.
To get started,
Đi
service
này.
and set up a payout method. Don't worry, you can use the same bank and payment info that you used today. Because you
Có à, nó có à.
you should experiment with videos, reels,
Rồi ơi.
text posts, and see
kéo
what
ơi.
resonates with
Đập
your
vô luôn
audience
nhá.
and what drives your revenue. Focus on crafting compelling content rather than optimizing for ad
Đúng rồi.
You don't need to worry about editing for ad placement.
Mà một cái bộ này là đông luôn á đó.
Are you ready to explore
Ở chỗ cõi nhỉ ấy.
content formats? Sign up for the content monetization beta today and earn money on whatever content you love creating most. Congrats! You've been invited to a new content monetization beta, which allows you to explore more ways to make money for your content.
Click.
And I'm here to tell you,
Click mạnh click. Ông chụp